Why hello there. It is Wednesday now, the 20th. It's 9:30 in the morning. We are in Kamas, Utah, getting gas and heading up to a lake called Muir Lake to hike around and fly around and GoPro around for the day. It is like 40 degrees, 42, something like that. There's not a cloud anywhere. So we are gonna hopefully find a little spot to buy a little parking pass thing that they make you buy and then head up. And we're about 45 minutes away from the lake. So we will see you when we get there.
And we're off on the Muir Lake hike.
It's pretty sweet. It's like 34 degrees and perfectly sunny, just a few high clouds. Emily's all bundled up. I'm cold. My hands are cold.
Yep.
And we need to get moving just to warm up a little bit because it may be 97 degrees at home, but it's 34 degrees here and it is awesome. Let's go hike a little bit.
Oh, yeah,
It's snowing everywhere. Woo! Yeah, it was snowing.
Wow!
There's something on your noggin.
It's snowing. One more branch.
One more. Here it comes. 1, 2, 3. Snow!
It's right on her face, all over your hat. Lordy. You got it right on your nose, kid.
Not too shabby. We're gonna go find a picnic table now at another lake and have some lunch and then maybe do another short hike, kind of like just what we did. But that's pretty darn pretty, don't you think? Reminds me a lot of Colleyville. Snack time! Peanut butter sandwiches out of the car. A Foreman family tradition since 2009. They're just so good when you're cold and tired and on a trail. Simplistic.
They're just so good.
They're not delicious, but it's easy and quick and functional. And peaches out of a can. Mmm. Peaches. I gotta start calling you Peaches.
Well, we just had lunch in the car and stayed warmer. It's a bit breezy out at the moment, so we're ready to get moving. We're gonna hike over to a few small lakes just close by. Just a hop, skip, and a jump. Lily Lakes, Ponds Lakes, and Crystal Lake. now there's just so much drone footage from today, you can't keep up with where we are or what we're seeing.
Yeah, we came down kind of the backside of where we were earlier today with all the lakes and stuff, heading towards Wyoming.
And drove to Wyoming to get
grab
a quick geocache.
Yeah.
Just for Brent.
So we got a Wyoming icon on the geocaching profile now, and there's so many golden and orange and yellow aspen that it's tough to not pull over and take a ton of pictures and smile, just because it's almost probably peak at a lot of these. Not on every hill, but on some hills it's got to be just about peak color because it looks like it's on fire.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
Yeah.
So we're enjoying the slow drive back, going up to get the geocache.
Yeah.
We were hauling, but coming back we're driving so slow, stopping every minute, but it's fun.
Heading towards Wyoming, Christy said, "Brent, go fast. I've never really gone that fast."
Yeah, he went really fast.
I drove 110, which is faster than Travis and I drove when we were in college. We used to go after church. We'd go drive 100 miles an hour sometimes. But
I kind of did approve, but at the same time we had a sleeping 2-year-old, and I was like, if you kill any of us,
I'm dead.
Are going to regret that forever.
Yeah. So we're gonna go drive another 100 yards and take more drone footage and chase Emily around. So
yeah,
life is good.
She's having fun.
Woo! Hey! Hey! I'm gonna get you!
Here we are at one of the last stops before we head out. It's the Upper Provo Falls, and you can hopefully hear the sound of roaring rapids in the background, but it's not that exciting, but it'll be fun, so let's go.
It is exciting. She's just spoiled already. At least for the moment, we think we're leaving all the pretty stuff to head back to town.
Yes, it is 6 o'clock.
Prego needs to eat before long. Yeah, I could stay up here till dark.
Yeah.
It's been about the nicest day we've had in years, it feels like.
Well, it was interesting. This morning we got here and there was snow everywhere, and the trees, everything was covered in snow, and now it's like fall and there's barely any snow anywhere. So we basically went from winter to fall backwards in one day, and we're getting blinded.
Help me out, rear view mirror.
Happy anniversary, 8 years.
Mwah.
We did it.
I love you, my dear.
I love you too.
Mwah. Happy 8 years. I hope we have at least a couple more.
All right, see you later. Bye.
Bye.